With the smart application, you can adjust the glowing light and atmosphere themes, or set the functionalities accordingly, such as GMT multiple time zone for global activities, chromatic mood expression, and smart living, enjoying infinite possibilities. From night to morning, from home to office, then faraway Boston. The Hubble Traveler always helps you determine the perfect time to plan your activities. Whether you're living to relax, working, or studying, it adapts to your needs, transforming every moment into an opportunity for warmth and convenience, focusing on human-centered principles to bring people together and transform our society. The Hubble Traveler is a journey brimming with inspiration and wonder. Discover your own universe now.